Hello users. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a WhatsApp template and explore the various features available on the template dashboard. To begin, click on the Create New Template button. Then proceed to enter the template name. Please remember, only alphabets are allowed in the template name. Special characters will not be accepted as per Meta guidelines. Next, select the category for your template. Choose the type of button you want for your template and then select the desired language for your template. Now choose the header type for your template from the available options. In this demonstration, we'll be choosing the text header. Proceed to enter the header text followed by the body of your template. If you wish, you can also add a variable in the header. Enter a sample value for the header. If you'd like, you can also add a variable in the body of your template. The footer is optional and can be edited to suit your needs. If you prefer, you can disable the opt-out message button. If you wish to add a coupon code, simply select the copy code button and enter the coupon code in the provided field. This feature can also be disabled if you prefer. Finally, to add a website URL, click on Add Website URL. Begin by entering the text you wish to display on the CTA or URL button. Then input the website URL. When you activate this toggle button, it will count the number of website clicks. Now, enable this checklist to add a phone number. Input the text you want to display on the CTA button for contact and then input the number. Once you've filled in all the details, a preview of the template you've just created will appear. You have the option to save it as a draft or submit it directly. Please note that WhatsApp may take up to 24 hours to review and either approve or reject our template. Your template has been successfully created. You can check the template name, category, status, and last updated time here. Please note that this reflects the date and time of all user-initiated changes. It updates when a user modifies and resubmits an approved template. The last modified time shows the date and time of all changes, including status updates and user-initiated changes, and can also view the languages of the template. You can also find the action button here where you can copy, edit, and delete the template. If you wish to delete a template, click the delete button and confirm by selecting yes. The template will then be successfully deleted. Now you can use the search bar to search for templates by name or use the filter to sort templates by category or campaign status. Once you apply the filter, the templates that match your criteria will be displayed. If you switch to the deleted templates option and select the deleted section, you will see the templates you've previously deleted. If you wish to restore a template, click on the Restore button and you will be notified that your template is restored. This concludes our guide on how to create a WhatsApp template and an overview of all the features available in the WhatsApp template dashboard. Thank you for watching.